Welcome to our next episode of Let's Talk Mental Health. Today, we're going to be looking into narcissistic personality disorder. Let us once again go through a series of questions to understand the disorder better and to recognize any early symptoms of the disorder. Does the person have a pervasive pattern of grandiosity which is seen either in their fantasy or in their behavior? Do they have a need for admiration and lack empathy for others ever since the beginning of early adulthood and is present in a variety of situations as indicated in at least 5 or more of the following situations? Does the person have an exaggerated sense of self-importance and expect to be recognized as someone who is superior without any actual achievements? Is the person preoccupied with fantasies of unlimited success, power, brilliance, beauty? Does the person believe that they are special and unique and can only be understood by someone who is as special as them? Does the person require excessive admiration? Does the person have a sense of entitlement where they believe that they deserve better than the others around them? Does the person take advantage of others in order to achieve their own ends? Does the person lack empathy and are unable or unwilling to recognize or identify with the feelings and needs of others? Is the person often envious of others or believe that others are envious of them? Does the person show arrogant attitude or behaviors? If your answer was yes to at least 5 or more of these questions, then the person might be at risk for narcissistic personality disorder. In that case, kindly do not self-diagnose because these questions are merely indicative and in no manner exhaustive in nature. So, contact a mental health practitioner.